everybody, and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I will be speed building the LEGO Overwatch DVA and Rheinhardt set. This is set number 75973 and consists of 455 pieces. Pretty excited about this set from Blizzard. This is a video game that came out in 2016, pretty fun to play. It's a shooter, a first-person shooting game that consists of online battles. Really excited about this set as it comes with two minifigures. We got Rheinhardt and DVA. We also have two mechs that come in this set. This 455 piece set features two mechs, each with their own weapons, and then the two pilots of the mech as well. On the back of the box, we can see the mechs in their natural habitat. We have Rheinhardt in his night-looking mech, and DVA in her pink mech. This 455 piece set looks really fun to build. It looks a lot like the video games. I'm excited to get in and do a Blizzard set. And with that, I'm just going to get in and start building. Alright everybody, that wraps up today's speed build of the LEGO Overwatch set, Diva and Rheinhardt. This 455 piece set took me right around an hour and a half to complete. There's a lot of stickers on each of these mechs, and a lot of detail went into them as well. I really like the opposability of the legs and the arms on both of these. You can pretty much point them in any direction. Overall, this set has a lot of detail and really encapsulates the characters from Overwatch. Alright everybody, and that's all for me. Please be sure to check back for new speed build videos.